So here's the back of the tailgate that I just had painted, and I gotta start putting it back together. But here's the lock assembly. It slides in. Procedure to take it out is just pull this down. So I got the lock back in. You just pull this spring lever down, it slides in, and then it's looped on this lever. And then here is the backup camera, and same thing, you just line it up in the hole, and I got a couple 10 mils that it goes in. So here's the back of my truck, and I took it out obviously to paint it. There's two levers inside. You can see it there. Just squeeze it, and then you remove these star bits all the way across, and once you remove them, you have full access to the inside of the tailgate. So this is a T30 bit. I got my impact gun. I like to just zip them off real quick. And you slide this metal cover out of the way. Now I have full access to the inside of my tailgate. Here's the clip for the backup camera, and we'll start putting it back together. So on the tailgate handle, you can see this little clip here. So it does go in and then up, and I'll show you right now how that works. And that kind of holds it in place while you can get the nuts, the bolts in for you. So here it goes up, and then you can kind of see where here it will clip. There it goes, and that's it. And it just, so this piece will hold on right here while you got your 10 mil, and you just start screwing them in. Now I wouldn't use an impact on this, or because sometimes you can spin it out, and you know, not really a good idea. I tightened up the 10 mil with a small socket. This just slides back in where it lines up, and then you push the clip over. Same thing for this one, and you push the clip over until you hear it snap. And I'll do the same for the backup camera clip here. Clip, there it goes. And then just install this back and put the T30 bits back on, and then try out your tailgate.